Here we got a 2019 SeaDoo 300 limited GTX, and it will not start. Won't even fire. It could be from like rusty spark plugs or bad fuel. You need spark, compression, and fuel for the engine to run. Before that, on a SeaDoo or anything really, you need to make sure that the battery's good, or else it's not going to turn over fast enough. The computer's not going to be happy. So right now we got good battery. We got old trusty jump pack. It's got 2 JetSki batteries in it. So right now I got 3 small batteries hooked up to this machine. I got an easy way to check the fuel where we're just going to pop the main fuel line that goes to the fuel rail where the injectors are. We'll pop that off real quick, super easy. Put the key on. It'll prime the fuel pump and it'll pour out about a pint of fuel into a jar, and we can see what it looks like. That'll tell us at least a rough idea what the fuel condition is, and then from there we can check the spark plugs. Hopefully the fuel's good. It looks like a half a tank, so you know we're probably at 10 gallons of fuel in this thing right now. The gas is cloudy. Oh, these things are barely in. What the? Oh shoot, those aren't bad. It's gotta be the gas. These are E8. Ooh, little tight. Come on, Bessie, don't break. All right. So they're firing, but it won't fire. It's got to be because of the crappy gas. I used to be able to just plug in right to the fuel pump and use my jump pack to power the fuel pump to evacuate the fuel. But now that SeaDoo kind of switched, they made it more convenient for you to get into the front hatch, not having to lean over the bars. Now I don't have access to that plug, so I can activate the fuel pump. I think we're just gonna have to put the key on, take it off, put the key on, take it off until, and I've done it before, it sucks and it's tedious. There we go. Hey, Jesus Christ, that's the hardest thing to come off. Jam this hose inside the other one and hopefully it doesn't blow off and spray gas everywhere. We'll see. I mean, it's in there pretty good. Trying to like get a siphon hose down the filler neck doesn't really work out. So this is the way to do it. It sucks, but it's what it is. So it took about like an hour to get that fuel out. Looks like I got about 7 gallons out. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna put some fresh fuel in, and then I'm also gonna pump that out. Just kind of clear the line, get the stuff off the bottom of the tank. Then we'll get the rest of the fresh gas in there, and hopefully, God willing, the creek don't rise, the thing fires right up, you know? So, there what we'll do. It says mix. Is it mix? It's not mix. So we want to pump that out. It's kind of like cooking chicken. We want it till the juices run clear. She's on. Here goes nothing.